In today's fast-paced and highly competitive business environment, it's never been more important to have improved visibility into operations, the ability to do more with less, and most importantly, the ability to effectively collaborate across your entire organization. Syspro proudly presents Harmony, the next-generation social platform embedded into Syspro ERP that's been specifically designed to answer these needs. Harmony promotes a more collaborative way of working by harmonizing data with people and providing a familiar, easy, and effective way to connect, communicate, and conduct daily business. By accessing real-time information, insights, and trends through social ERP, users can act instantly and decisively to increase responsiveness and improve lead times and overall productivity. Syspro Harmony becomes the backbone of a collaborative environment that spans your entire organization, from the factory floor through production, purchasing, accounts, R&D, sales and marketing, all seamlessly and in real time. So what does Harmony look like? As with everything in Harmony, the profile is all about you. It shows your beats. In other words, the things that are important for you to know and what you may have missed. With Harmony, you can opt in to follow important information such as stock codes, suppliers, sales orders, and the like. The trending chart graphically shows you what is trending in the form of a bubble chart. Everything you need to know about a customer or item is intelligently pushed to you and surfaces on your newsfeed. With Harmony, you are automatically kept in the loop without having to go into the system to retrieve information. Harmony also lets you post conversation posts like you would on Facebook or Twitter, with the use of @ and hashtags. The newsfeed pane is auto-populated with conversations with relevant information that's being followed. Harmony from Syspro, social ERP that's got everyone talking.